Holi is a vibrant and colorful festival celebrated in India and many other parts of the world. It marks the arrival of spring and is a time to enjoy and cherish the company of loved ones, smear each other with colorful powder, and indulge in delicious traditional foods. From sweets to savory snacks, Holi offers a variety of mouth-watering dishes that are an integral part of the celebrations. These dishes are not only tasty but also represent the cultural richness and diversity of India. Traditional Thandai. Thandai is a refreshing drink that is synonymous with Holi. It is a mixture of milk, sugar, and a variety of ground spices, including cardamom, fennel seeds, and black pepper. Thandai is often garnished with rose petals and almonds and is served chilled. Gujiy. Gujiy is a popular Holi sweet that is similar to a dumpling or a pastry. It is stuffed with a mixture of sweetened khoya, grated coconut, and dry fruits and is deep fried until golden brown. Gujiy is often served with a generous sprinkling of powdered sugar on top. Malpua. Malpua is a sweet pancake that is made by dipping batter into the sugar syrup and then frying until golden brown. It is often served with rabdi and is popular Holi dessert. Dahi Bhalla. Dahi Bhalla is a popular Holi snack that is made by soaking lentil dumplings in yogurt and topped with a tangy and spicy chutney. It is a perfect blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors and is sure to tickle your taste buds. Halwa. Halwa is a traditional Indian sweet prepared with suji, milk, and sugar syrup. It is commonly made during festivals such as Holi, Diwali. Suji ka halwa is very simple and easy to make. Just add sugar and khoya to the mixture, then add sliced almonds or chopped pistachios, mix well and serve hot. Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a sweet flatbread that is made by stuffing a mixture of jaggery and lentil paste inside the dough. It is then rolled out and cooked on a frying pan until golden brown. Puran Poli is often served with ghee and is a must-have during Holi.